Hey y'all, what's up? So today I just decided to throw together this little video because I couldn't think of nothing else to do. So as you can see, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me tutorial. I'm starting by putting some concealer over these dark marks on my face, girl. Then I'm gonna blend this concealer out because I gotta get rid of these dark spots. And then I got this Revlon 24-hour stay. Well, I had the Revlon 24-hour stay, but I'm going to go back to the concealer. I'm putting some on my eyelids to lighten those up. Sometimes concealer can give you like a little eyeshadow look, especially when you don't know how to do eyeshadow like myself. So, yeah, I just be using concealer to lighten up them eyelids, give it a little boom boom. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and add that concealer. I'm sorry, not that concealer. I'm going to go ahead and add that foundation, 24-hour Revlon foundation. It works really good once I get it all blended in, you know what I'm saying? It covers all your little dark marks really good. And then this is just a little palette that I got. Like I said, I don't know how to do no eyeshadow, so this is just a random palette with a little light shimmery color on it. I just add some little shimmers to my eyelids, girl. And I need to do something with them eyebrows. Comment below if you think I should do an eyebrow tutorial, because I haven't did my eyebrows in probably like a year, but they still fleeky. Anyways, so now I'm just adding this little eyeliner, because you don't want your eyes to be looking all dead and stuff. So I just add some eyeliners. I'm going to add these little lashes. Um, I don't even know where I got these lashes, but when I tell you I struggled to put these on, like I had to edit out so much on this video because your girl simply struggled to get these little lashes on. Once I got them on, I was just like over it. So I was like, let me try to do like a little, the little top lid liner. I don't know what it's called, but you know how you put the liner over the top? Yes, I was like, let me do that to try to conceal some of these imperfections in these lashes, okay? At least just for the camera. All right, so then I'm gonna take well, this is my wig that I have on. I dyed this wig in a different video, and I made this wig in a different video, so I will list the link to that below if you guys like this color. My little edges sticking out. Should have slicked them back, but I didn't. But it's okay, because the wig gonna cover it just fine. Anyway, so I'm just going to finish taking down this little braid out because I want a little wavy. You know what I'm saying? Little wavy. Alright, so now I have to conceal that part a little bit, girl. I'm just using the same concealer that I used on my face. Just dab a little on the brush. Just gonna blend that out so it'll look more like a little part. You know what I'm saying? Look a little more natural. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you later.